uniquely Naati. That's the essence of an innovative, new Maori language resource that celebrates the language and dialect of Ngati Porou. He Aha Tō Sei is a new web series that promotes and preserves te reo o Ngati Porou. Created by the East Coast iwi radio station Radio Ngati Porou, the show is a series of 12 half-hour webisodes that canvass the views of 23 native speakers of te reo o Ngati Porou. The world premiere of He Aha Tō Sei was held on Friday with a red carpet event in the main street of Ruatoria at the radio station, followed by the online launch of all 12 webisodes on Radio Ngati Porou's Facebook and YouTube channels. He Aha Tō Sei is a fun show that is quintessentially Naati, says Radio Ngati Porou Chief Executive Erana Keelan-Reedy.
Just sitting there with the 2 programs that are played to date, and they're on the 3rd one now, everybody's loving it, the nannies and papas are loving it. So ko te mea nui mōku, the main thing for me is that it showcases Ngati Porou reo, it showcases the various characters that were happy enough to participate in the kōrero, and it just showcases Ngati Porou in its entirety, iwi moke, iwi whanoke, the fact that we can have fun, it just exceeded my expectations, and I'm just really proud of their product.
2 of the stars of the show, Te Rauhui and Maria Smith, said the web series was a great way to celebrate their Ngati Poroutanga, the language and the people of the coast.
Well, I like to say it's off the cuff. No, it was a good experience. It's good for us, it's good rau me. And it's from people you wouldn't otherwise hear boo from.
Yeah, it's raw and it's in all its originality and its beauty.
Ngati Porou Pakeke Ramari Nepia said the resource would be a taonga, a treasure for future generations.
It'll be a great taonga, yes. For our children, our mokopuna, the next generations, to keep us helping to help them with the history and our reo.